Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to restart your Windows 11 audio drive. Click on Start, type here Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now here guys you have to expand audio inputs and outputs. You will see your audio drive, speakers and microphone. Right click on it and just click on Update Driver. Similarly, speakers, right click and update driver. Once you update, it will ask scan automatically for drivers, and if you have any driver latest, so select browse my computer. Let me pick and select from here your audio driver. And similarly, expand sound, video and game controllers. And here you see your audio like Realtek audio. Right click on it and update driver. You can try both method search automatically firstly, then browse my computer for drivers and see which is giving you best result. So select that. And after all, close and restart. So hopefully guys like this you can update and restart your Windows 11 audio driver. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.